Introduction. Hello, wonderful viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a special treat for you. We are diving deep into some of the hottest trending topics that can supercharge your skills, help you tackle challenges head-on, and boost your confidence to new heights. Whether you're looking to upskill, overcome obstacles, or simply build more self-assurance, these trending topics have got you covered. So, grab your notepads, because this video is going to be a knowledge-packed ride. Trending topic 1: Remote work productivity. Our first trending topic is all about remote work productivity. With the rise of remote work, especially in the wake of recent events, learning how to stay productive while working from home has never been more important. We'll explore time management techniques, effective communication strategies, and the best tools and apps to help you thrive in the remote work environment. Plus, we'll share tips on creating a productive workspace that will have you saying goodbye to distractions. Trending topic 2: Digital marketing mastery. In today's digital age, understanding the ins and outs of digital marketing is a skill that can open numerous doors. We are talking about social media marketing, SEO, content creation, email marketing, and more. We will deep dive into these topics, providing you with insights into how to create an effective online presence, grow your brand or business, and connect with your audience in meaningful ways. Stay tuned for some practical advice and strategies that can elevate your digital marketing game. Trending topic 3: Mindfulness and mental health. Taking care of your mental health is a timeless trend. In this segment, we'll explore the power of mindfulness practices and how they can help you manage stress, stay focused, and maintain your emotional well-being. We'll also discuss the importance of self-care routines and offer tips for building resilience in the face of life's challenges. Remember, your mental health is paramount, and we are here to support you on your journey to emotional wellness. Trending topic 4: DIY home improvement. With more time spent at home, many of us have embraced the world of DIY home improvement. From simple home decor projects to more complex renovations, we've got it all covered. In this segment, we'll explore basic DIY skills, essential tools, and safety tips to get you started. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or a complete novice, there's something here for everyone. Get ready to transform your living space and unleash your inner handyman or handywoman. Trending topic 5: Learning a new language. Learning a new language is an incredible skill that can open up a world of opportunities. In this segment, we'll dive into language learning apps, strategies for effective language acquisition, and the cognitive benefits of being bilingual. We'll also share inspiring stories of language learners who've conquered new languages and cultures. So, whether you're planning to travel, expand your career prospects, or simply enrich your life, get ready to embark on a language learning journey that will broaden your horizons. Trending topic 6: Health and fitness trends. Staying fit and healthy is always a top priority. We'll explore the latest health and fitness trends that are taking the world by storm. From home workouts and wellness routines to mindful eating and sustainable nutrition, we'll provide you with valuable insights and tips to help you achieve your health and fitness goals. It's time to make positive changes for a healthier and happier you. Trending topic 7: Financial literacy and investing. Financial literacy is a trend that never goes out of style. In this segment, we'll delve into the world of personal finance, budgeting, saving, and investing. We'll discuss the principles of building wealth, strategies for managing debt, and the importance of long-term financial planning. Whether you're a financial guru or a novice looking to get started, we've got valuable insights to help you secure your financial future. Trending topic 8: Sustainable living. Sustainability is more than just a trend, it's a way of life. We'll explore the principles of sustainable living, from reducing waste and conserving energy to making eco-friendly choices in everyday life. You'll learn practical tips on how to live a more environmentally conscious lifestyle that benefits both you and the planet. Let's work together to create a greener, healthier world. Trending topic 9: Creative arts and hobbies. Unleash your creativity with the trending topic of creative arts and hobbies. Whether it's painting, cooking, photography, or playing a musical instrument, we'll dive into various creative pursuits that can be both therapeutic and fulfilling. Discover how to nurture your artistic side and find joy in pursuing your passions. Trending topic 10: Personal development and self-care. Last but certainly not least, we'll explore the evergreen trend of personal development and self-care. Discover the power of setting goals, building habits, and prioritizing self-improvement. We'll provide you with practical techniques to boost your self-esteem, manage stress, and find balance in your life. Remember, you are your greatest investment, and we are here to help you become the best version of yourself. Conclusion. There you have it, folks, a comprehensive look at the hottest trending topics that can supercharge your skills, help you embrace challenges, and boost your confidence. These trends are not just here today, they're here to stay, making them a valuable investment in your personal and professional growth. We encourage you to explore these topics further, dive into the ones that resonate with you the most, and keep learning, growing, and evolving. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss out on our future content that will dive even deeper into these trending topics. Let's embark on this exciting journey of self-improvement and exploration together. Until next time, keep thriving, stay curious, and embrace the trends that empower you to be the best version of yourself.